I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start in Settings so you can see what's draining power and act fast. Open Battery to view per app usage and identify the top offenders. Once you know the culprits, switch to Background App Refresh in general and note whether apps refresh on Wi-Fi and cellular. Disabling here stops unseen background work. Then check Location Services in Privacy and identify apps using location in the background, because location polling quickly drains battery if left enabled. Now take detailed action. Go into Background App Refresh and toggle off apps you rarely open, keeping only essentials enabled. You do this because selective disabling preserves functionality while cutting background CPU and network use. Next, change Location Services to While using app or Never for apps that don't need constant GPS. This reduces GPS wake-ups. Also open Mail Settings and switch to Fetch manually or lengthen the fetch interval to limit background network checks and save battery. Finish by enabling low power mode to immediately curb background activity and visual effects. This helps while you verify changes. Make sure iOS and apps are up to date because fixes often stop runaway background tasks. Restart the iPhone so new settings apply cleanly, then check Analytics right arrow battery for recurring offenders. If a specific app still drains battery, force quit, reinstall, or remove it. Troubleshooting tip: if battery behavior remains abnormal, back up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.